when somebody calls and says, this happened, I think it's malpractice, I know that many lawyers are reluctant to say anything other than, I've made a business decision not to take your case. Do you do more than that in terms of providing information to people so that their questions get answered?
On the extreme end of our cases, we have cases with, fetal deaths, right? There's no amount of money that it can compensate you for losing a child. You're not suffering any economic harm, but you're suffering a huge emotional harm from that. It's a very tragic thing for a person to go through. That person needs somebody who is not a doctor to say to them, yeah, we've looked at it, and as hard as this is for you, we don't think that litigation is right for you. Otherwise, they won't be able to process what's happened for them and move on. They'll continue to have anger over the whole system. And so, I think that rejecting cases is, not an unfortunate part of our job, but actually a big part of our job, where we're adding a lot of value for our clients and our communities. And so, when I first started out and attorneys would refer cases to me, one of the things that I did was I would always write back a letter that did my best job of explaining why I wasn't taking the case. Because these are serious cases, and they absolutely deserve more attention than just, this is a business decision, we don't want to do it.